What are you wanting about? Do you want to go on a hike? Yeah? With Grandma Grampy? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's an exciting day. My grandparents and I and Benson are going on a hike. I just want to make sure I have his leash. We are going on a hike up to the Sussex Bluff. It is one of the main things I really love about living in New Brunswick is that we have amazing sightseeing features, waterfalls, hiking trails, woods. So today is the first one you're going to see on my channel, and we are going to the Sussex Bluff. I think the puppy's pretty excited. Look like a little tomboy. Hiking with the van. A little chilly, but it's better for hiking. I think so. You can go up a little further, and then we ended up, where did we go last night? And ended up in some four-wheel trails down in the woods.
When you're 80, it's not enjoyable, but you have to do it.
Listen, it is enjoyable for you. Just because you're 80, we got to keep you active. Keep the blood flowing.
I don't want the tough one to start out.
This is the easy one.
Yeah, well, it is not one you haven't walked before
Yeah.
this year.
We go back down, we'll go in there and go down the trail. So when I say we have beautiful nature where I live, this is only about 45 minutes from my house, and it's breathtaking. So compared to some of the adventures exploring because we have an amazing place, and this is what I love to call it home. East Coast all in 1 hour, back to Perth. I'm off to go see Mum, or I'm going to want to go see the renovations, so here we go.